Buonasera paisani and welcome back to another edition of Big Mamas Gathered live here on Instagram. Today I have a lot to talk about and I have another interesting person to talk with for your entertainment. But first of all, I want to give a big shout out to KM Beauty. Her name is Karina Magri. And she did my nails today. Look at this. Look at these beautiful nails. I got the marble look on 2 fingers and purple everywhere. Oh, look at my nails. Gorgeous nails. She does amazing work and they last. I'm so happy. I feel so refreshed. So nice. So, guys, give her a follow. Her name is Karina Magri. She's on Instagram. Give her a call. You can do your nails. Her sister does the makeup. And they're amazing. So thank you, Karina, for my nails. I love them. Next in line is, of course, the Italians of Montreal and Friends that I'm part of, and I am proud to be a part of, because we support, as you know, the Lighthouse for Children in Palliative Care, as well as Galileo, a center for students with learning disabilities and special needs. And so this week, this Tuesday, actually it was yesterday. Tuesday was yesterday, today's Wednesday. Yesterday, we made a donation to the Lighthouse. The proceeds of that money came from the bowling that we held last year and also all the purchases that you guys have been making on our online store at friends4cause.myshopify.com. So thank you, everybody. Hi, Montreal. Buonasera paisani and welcome back to another edition of Big Mamas Gathered live here on Instagram. Today I have a lot to talk about and I have another interesting person to talk with for your entertainment. But first of all, I want to give a big shout out to KM Beauty. Her name is Karina Magri. And she did my nails today. Look at this. Look at these beautiful nails. I got the marble look on 2 fingers and purple everywhere. Oh, look at my nails. Gorgeous nails. She does amazing work and they last. I'm so happy. I feel so refreshed. So nice. So, guys, give her a follow. Her name is Karina Magri. She's on Instagram. Give her a call. You can do your nails. Her sister does the makeup. And they're amazing. So thank you, Karina, for my nails. I love them. Next in line is, of course, the Italians of Montreal and Friends that I'm part of, and I am proud to be a part of, because we support, as you know, the Lighthouse for Children in Palliative Care, as well as Galileo, a center for students with learning disabilities and special needs. And so this week, this Tuesday, actually it was yesterday. Tuesday was yesterday, today's Wednesday. Yesterday, we made a donation to the Lighthouse. The proceeds of that money came from the bowling that we held last year and also all the purchases that you guys have been making on our online store at friends4cause.myshopify.com. So thank you, everybody. Hi, Montreal Mags. That's your cousin. Buonasera paisani and welcome back to another edition of Big Mamas Gathered live here on Instagram. Today I have a lot to talk about and I have another interesting person to talk with for your entertainment. But first of all, I want to give a big shout out to KM Beauty. Her name is Karina Magri. And she did my nails today. Look at this. Look at these beautiful nails. I got the marble look on 2 fingers and purple everywhere. Oh, look at my nails. Gorgeous nails. She does amazing work and they last. I'm so happy. I feel so refreshed. So nice. So, guys, give her a follow. Her name is Karina Magri. She's on Instagram. Give her a call. You can do your nails. Her sister does the makeup. And they're amazing. So thank you, Karina, for my nails. I love them. Next in line is, of course, the Italians of Montreal and Friends that I'm part of, and I am proud to be a part of, because we support, as you know, the Lighthouse for Children in Palliative Care, as well as Galileo, a center for students with learning disabilities and special needs. And so this week, this Tuesday, actually it was yesterday. Tuesday was yesterday, today's Wednesday. Tuesday, yesterday, we made a donation to the Lighthouse. The proceeds of that money came from the bowling that we held last year, and also all the purchases that you guys have been making on our online store at friends4cause.myshopify.com. So thank you, everybody. Hi, Montreal Mags. That's your cousin. Yes, she's amazing, your cousin. So yeah, we made a big donation of $2,500 that was presented to the Lighthouse to help them support the kids that they take care of, because they need the utmost care. And so we were proud donators, and we're happy that we have all your support out there, all you people that are purchasing our products, that are buying online. It's a wonderful feeling. And as you see, we give it back. We don't keep the money. We don't profit. We're all doing this out of our goodness of our hearts. We're doing it on a voluntary basis. So thank you, everyone, for your purchase. Also, since I'm talking about the Italians of Montreal and the Friends for Cause, we've opened up a Facebook page called, of course, Friends for Cause. And if you go on that Facebook page, you like it, and you tag 2 people, you're automatically entered in a draw where you can win this beautiful pasta coriander. You got pastas, you got the sauce in the back. It's a beautiful gift, and you might want to keep it because it's a nice gift. You can use it for yourself. So just like the page on Facebook, Friends for Cause, tag 2 people, you're automatically in. And Sunday, this Sunday, the 19th of July, I will be going live again, but this time on Facebook, to draw out the lucky winner of this beautiful basket. So guys, stay tuned. Tag 2 people, like the page, you're automatically in, and you get a nice gift. So this is our way of saying thank you. This is our way of appreciating your support. So it's all good. It's like a domino effect. You start with one, and then it just keeps giving and giving. So we're giving back, and we love to give. So that's it for tonight. Now, on to bigger and better things. Tonight's guest is Amore Entertainment. Now, maybe you haven't heard of them. Maybe you have. But tonight, after tonight, you can't say you haven't heard of them. Amore Entertainment is a DJ, photo booth, all in one. And I mean, this guy's got high-tech stuff. And amazing. He does amazing things. He's just starting out. So I want to give him a shout out. I want to give him some support, some publicity. So let's bring him on. Hi, Lucy Russo. You're from Toronto. Hi, Lucy Russo. So I'm going to bring on Amore Entertainment for your entertainment. We're going to find out all about this DJ company and what services he offers and all that. So let's invite him on. Let me just click over here. And here he is, Amore Entertainment. Hi, Dina.
Hi,
hello there.
How are you?
How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good. I hope you guys are staying safe back home.
Yes, we're staying safe. We're staying cautious when we go out. We're very careful, and we stay away from everybody. It's like we're looking at everybody as though they're like these criminal offenders that are suspicious. You know, it's like, get away from me. Get away from me. But yeah, no. And besides that, life's good. We're healthy. Thank God we're healthy. And, you know, one day at a time. And I'm doing this live, especially for that, because everybody is in quarantine and staying away. So in order to bring people together, I do it through social media. And I like to also support local business. And that's why you're here tonight.
And I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And it's beautiful what you had mentioned before, the donations. It's phenomenal to see that you guys have such a beautiful crowd, that you gather all these people and they all come as community. It's very rare you hear that, especially with everything that's going on today. So I tip my hat off to you guys. It's beautiful.
Thank you. We try our best and we do it with our hearts. So when we see results like this of a donation of $2,500 or more, we're just like overjoyed that we're making a difference and we're helping other families who are not so fortunate to have a better day. So thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
So introduce yourself. I know you are You are Amore Entertainment, but I'm sure your mother gave you a name. So tell
So
us your name.
my name's Lorenzo De Luca. My partner with Amore Entertainment is Christina Martini. She's also my fiance.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So pretty much soon to be husband and wife, we decided to start up a company together.
Fantastic. So it's called Amore Entertainment because you're in love. And
Actually,
you sell.
she calls me that. She calls me that. We couldn't think of a name at first. So she said, you know what, let's go with Amore. So I said, okay, let's go for it.
Beautiful. And you know, when you do weddings, you are celebrating love. So
Of course.
it goes perfect. It goes perfect. Fantastic. So how long is it that you guys set this up?
So what happened was that I wanted to, it's a long time I've wanted to get into the photo booth industry.
Okay.
Just I never really had the right push, we could say, or the right motivation to get into it.
Mm-hmm.
I've done DJing, we could say 13 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 13 years I was doing DJing. I always wanted to get into the photo booth. So I said, you know what? I'll surprise her with a photo booth on her birthday. I said, and we'll take it from there. So she ended up really liking it. And she said, oh, so this is something you've always wanted to do. So I said, of course. I said, this is pretty much it. So she really liked the idea. She was really fond of it. So we gave it a shot. Then COVID happened.
Yes.
Unfortunately.
Okay.
But prior to that, we've got a lot of phone calls. We're still reaching out to customers properly. We're still giving our 100% satisfaction with everybody that's messaging us, asking if everybody's okay with what's going on their side of the family.
Okay.
So we're trying to redirect ourselves with everybody, making sure that all our previous customers are doing fine.
Okay, good. But do you still have events going on with the norms in place, like with the restrictions, or are you not functional at all at this point?
No, we are still functional. So what happens is that when people message us to know about the party, like right now we're having a promotion for backyard events or backyard parties.
Okay. Okay.
So I do show up in a mask.
Okay.
I do not provide physical props at the moment because I don't want to have the issue of, God forbid, something happens.
Yeah.
So this is where we do offer electronic props.
Okay.
So on the application itself, so let's say yourself, you take a photo of you take a nice photo with you and your friends and your family. At the end, you have the option to put electronical props on yourself. So it's like having the sunglasses, the hats, you could think of it. It's like having it, but without physically holding it.
So it's basically like a filter that you're adding to the picture.
Exactly.
Oh, fantastic. Well, that's a great idea. That's a fantastic, safe idea. That's amazing. So you're doing backyard parties with the amount of people that are allowed. And are you getting any feedback? Are you getting any calls?
I've been getting quite a few phone calls. I just recently brought myself on Facebook.
Okay.
It's a long time I haven't had Facebook, so I said, let's give it a shot.
Sure.
And I find it's been pushing a lot more. I find a lot more people, they're taking advantage of it just due to the fact that it's 3-4 months we haven't been able to spend time with our family and our loved ones.
Yes.
Then I'm giving a promotion right now till the end of August 31st. $200, you have it for the whole entire night.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's not for an hour, it's not for 2 hours, it's not for 3 hours. You can have me for 5 hours. You're paying that one price, and you pick your backdrop, and all your family, your friends, and your loved ones could get together and enjoy it.
Nice. And now you offer music as well, or just photo booth?
I offer music. I offer just the photo booth itself.
Okay.
For the music, I am partnered up with FM Entertainment. They're actually watching us right now, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, I saw them. Yes, I saw them.
Yeah, they're the ones that do provide the music.
Okay.
And but I'm strictly just a photo booth.
Okay, but if people want music as well, you're able
We'll provide it without a doubt. Okay,
so you're strictly photo booth. So guys, where can they find you?
We're on Instagram. We're on Facebook. You can find us by typing in amore.entertainment1. And you'll find us, all our backdrops, all our prices, everything you need from A to Z is over there. And we'll reach out to you within an hour, max, for any inquiries.
Okay, so the name on Instagram is amore.entertainment1.
Exactly.
And on Facebook, is it the same name?
Exact same name.
Okay, so guys, if you have a backyard party, an anniversary, a birthday, just because party, because right now we're just having parties just because. So just because party, you want to take a picture and keep the memory alive. Have a souvenir of the event with the people that you invite. Of course, it's your loved ones, your friends. So give them a call, give them a follow. Amore.entertainment1, because it's the #1 photo booth in Montreal. And they will come. If you want just a photo booth, that's fine. If you want music, he's going to set you up and fix it all up for you. And look, he's having a promotion. For $200, you have it all night. You can use it and abuse it. For $200, I mean, come on. Government gives $2,000. What's 200 out of 2,000? You're all good. So, guys, give him a call. Give him a follow. And most of all, why? Because we want to support local businesses. We don't want him to shut his doors. We want to encourage them. We want to show that we care. And I mean, it's everywhere. Support local business. So please support this young gentleman and his fiance, soon to be wife, so that, you know, he can continue this and maybe grow bigger and better. And hopefully when everything opens up, you can do it in a hall and it'll blow your mind. And look, he even has like a filter props, so you don't have to touch anything. You just take the picture, you choose your filter, you got the glasses, you got the hat, you got the feathers, you got everything, and you don't touch anything, which is fantastic with the times that we're going through right now. Okay. Thank you very much. So what else would you like to share with the public that's watching?
If ever anybody needs anything, we're always available. We understand everybody's needs. We're very flexible with our times. We don't have the restriction of we'll only go out 20 kilometers out of our way. If you need us even 50 kilometers out of our way, with all honesty, we'll go out of our way for you guys. We've always been there for everybody, and we always want to give our 100% great customer service, and we'll be there from the beginning to the end for no matter what the party is.
Fantastic. And you have like a team, or is just yourself and your fiance?
Just myself and my fiance, and if FM Entertainment has to help us out, they're always there for us as well.
Okay, so you're the only trio. Like, there's no other people that are going to show up that they don't know?
No.
No. Okay, good. So if there's a problem or technical or whatever, you're there, you know your machine.
Exactly.
You're gonna
you won't even realize that I'm there. I'll be there half the night. I'll make sure that everything's going good. I'll clean down the photo booth with not Purell, but with the sanitization, just to make sure that everybody's comfortable, everything's fine, and you guys won't even realize that I'm at the party.
Perfect, beautiful. All right, well, guys, there you have it, right out of this young gentleman's mouth. I really want you guys to support him. He looks like a sweetheart, and he must be, because somebody's marrying him, so he's got to be a sweetheart, because otherwise he'd be single, right? So, guys, support them, support local business. Thank you very much, Luciano, for coming on. I hope this helps. I hope I'll give you that little push or boost that you need to get more people calling.
Believe me, it means
it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. And look, if the Italians of Montreal and friends end up doing something, we're going to give you a call. You're going to come to our event.
I'll be right away there for you guys.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you taking the time to come on my live and talk about it. And I hope this helps.
Thank you so much. Please be safe to you and the family. And I'll always be one of your #1 fans. I love the videos you post.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Big Mama, take care.
Ciao, ciao. So there you have it, guys. Amore Entertainment. So it's amore.entertainment1. He's a local, not DJ, sorry, a local photo booth. He managed to get prop filters so that nobody contaminates anything, so that you can still have fun at a backyard party with the limited amount of people that you can invite, just so you can keep the memories alive of your event. So give him a follow, give him a call. If you're planning to do a family barbecue, a little get-together with your friends, always, of course, following the restrictions that the government puts out there, give him a call, and you can treasure your memories with these pictures. So he's having a promotion right now on Facebook, $200 for the whole night. It's very, very affordable, and I'm sure you won't regret it. And if you need a DJ, he'll hook you up with a DJ with FM Entertainment. So shout out to FM Entertainment. Maybe I'll have you on my show soon. So again, I'm going to repeat it, amore.entertainment1. So give him a follow, give him a call. Please remember that if you have an event, to support the local businesses. They just opened up. They're fresh. I'm sure they have a lot of ideas. They're young, and it's a beautiful couple. Him and his fiance. He'll be there. He'll fix any problems. Guys, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. I'm referring you to him, so he's got to be good. And if he's not, you come see me. I fix everything. No problem. So that's it, guys. It's 8:15. I'm going to cut it short. It was beautiful seeing everybody. Hello to everyone who tuned in tonight. Wow, I have 12 viewers, a whole 12. I have the 12 disciples watching me tonight. Thank you very much for tuning in. I love you guys. You're the reason why I do this. It's for your entertainment, for you to enjoy. And once again, I will repeat, please like the Facebook page. Friends, the number 4, cause.myshopify.com. All you have to do is like it and tag 2 people. I'm sure you know more than 2 people. Tag 2 people, and you will run a chance to win this beautiful colander with pasta and uzugu in the back. So you can keep it, you can regift it. It's a very convenient basket. It's not something that you're going to toss on the side. And it's all because we want to give back as a unity, as an association, as an organization that supports the Lighthouse for Children in Palliative Care, and also for Galileo, who has students with learning disabilities such as autism, Down syndrome, and so forth. So guys, we can't do what we do if you don't support us, if you don't buy from our online store, if you don't make a donation. So, and we show you where the money goes, because we just donated $2,500 to the Lighthouse. Now, we can't do it for Galileo right now because school's out, but come September, we're going to be doing a donation to them too, because they deserve the money just as much. So guys, it's a win-win situation. Just go on my shop. No, not my Shopify. It's friendsforcause.myshopify.com. I can't stress it enough. This is the reason why I'm part of this organization. This is the reason why we do what we do. It's to give back, because we want to make a difference in someone's life. And with your help, we can do it. So I want to thank you all very much for supporting me, for supporting my organization, for supporting the causes that I believe in, and for us to be able to keep up with our mission. So thank you, everyone. Hello to everybody. I see a lot of waves. I see a lot of people waving and talking. So guys, grazie mille. I love you very much. And again, my nails. I love my nails. Don't you like my nails? I got the marble look. Look at it. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a marble look. It's amazing. KM Beauty. Give her a follow. Karina Magri. She's the daughter of Joe Magri, the real estate agent. She's a wonderful, wonderful young lady. And she has passion for nails. And look at these nails. I mean, look at these nails. I'm like admiring them so much. So thank you very much, guys. That's it for tonight. Next week, I'll have another guest for your entertainment. E come sempre, I love you all. Be well, be healthy. E ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.